I like this club and the event very much. I think it's a good opportunity, especially as the long duration with COVID, where we were not able to meet people in person, to come together again, to meet people here, to exchange, to network. And from that point of view, definitely I would see this is a good opportunity in the future, and I would appreciate to be part of MMSteelClub in the future. So PSI is a software company, and PSI Metals, we are dealing mainly with the steel and metals industry, and our role is to actually support the processes to be more efficient. We have a very important role of supporting the decarbonization in the steel industries. As we are part of the steel industry family, it's very important also for us to see where the future is going to and where we are heading to.
I had my coming out with MMSteelClub in Barcelona last summer, where I gave a presentation on the next-gen pelletizing plant. Today we're focusing more on the raw material side of the transition to green steel. So Metso Outotec is dealing with a raw material side of the iron and steel industry. So we're supporting miners with equipment supplies like grinding mills or thickeners, and also dealing with the pelletization industry, direct reduction and smelting part of the iron and steel industry. And in conjunction with that, with the green steel transition that we're currently seeing, we see huge opportunities not only for Q1 of next year, but for the next years to come, to support our customers through the entire value chain with our sustainable solutions. Metso Outotec for this event is a gold sponsor, so that tells you that, well, we believe in the events of MMSteelClub, and we see a benefit not only for our company but also for our customer base. So yes, definitely we will be also participating in the coming years.
Here we can come together and communicate across the borders of the industry and really make great contributions in regards to the change. I think the specific location where everything is set always very much influences who comes, and as green steel making, decarbonization is a very, let's say, technology and infrastructure specific thing. We also need to talk with the individual players from the individual regions in order to really make things happen. It's so important that we come together, talk across the borders of our industry with different stakeholders in the change, and that's very enjoyable.
We recognized at an early stage, 20 years ago already, to design our product portfolio towards sustainability, to have products hydrogen ready. And now in these times when everybody is talking about the transformation, the decarbonization of the steel industry, for us it's a great moment because we have already the products and the technologies hydrogen ready and also proven at an industrial scale. I think it's a nice event. I hope that more people will attend in the future. So I really look forward to be part of the MMSteelClub also in the future.
I'm personally very new to the industry, so it was great learning here. It was great to see the dynamic. And I believe that the whole topic of green steel will be wonderfully combined with the topic of digital transformation for the industry. And I'm pretty sure that everybody that we saw today, and hopefully us as well, will help the industry to move forward on the path of digital transformation. Rebus is the leading platform to buy and sell metals online, and we are providing a digital as well as a personal solution of Steel Expert to help our customers to buy or sell metal. Looking at the current market environment, we see that the volatility, that the actual difficulty in the market is helping us tremendously because our customers need individual solutions to have an answer to that type of volatility. So we believe that regardless of the market development as we see it, that we will increase our activity and our market share here in Europe as well as globally.
It's not my first time actually. I was in Barcelona a couple of weeks ago. It's a very great event with industry experts. The topics are very unique and very precise, so in terms of what's happening in the industry. What I most certainly enjoy is that the meeting with the industry experts are very fruitful. Talk with industry experts about new developments, new innovations. You have the possibility to network, talk at nice dinner events and cocktail receptions. So absolutely, we're looking forward to be at more MMSteelClub conferences.
Green steel is an emerging new technology, and now the future is being shaped, the future is being determined. How are green steel products being designed? How is digital technology being designed and put in place? And meeting the experts, meeting the ambassadors of the industry, I think it's a fantastic opportunity being here at Green Steel Conference. Our role is to provide verifiable digital product passports. And verifiability means there are assertions about a given steel product, and I, as a supply chain actor, I, as a regulator, I can basically check out the assertions and check if the assertions are true or not true, and then increase trust in steel products. So topics at Green Steel Conference are extremely relevant because they educate people, they make people aware of these new digital technologies. I think being here, meeting with all the other experts, I clearly recommended going to Green Steel Conference.
All these speaking events in general are places where people can come and collaborate together, exchange ideas, and then you go back very refreshed with ideas outside your ecosystem, and that sort of acts like a domino effect to improve knowledge. IBM is an IT company, but it indulges a lot in the digital transformation of all the enterprises. So at the moment, also in metals, there is a lot of digital transformation happening with IBM together and their partners. Knowing the focus that now sustainability has on our planet, IBM, with all its products and consulting wing, want to have a major expansion into this market to help industries do a better and more sustainable manufacturing.
It is the first time I'm speaking at the MMSteel event. I was not familiar with this event before, since I'm from the chemical industry. The topics discussed at this conference are really relevant for the business activity I'm involved in. We are involved in green hydrogen production. For me, it's really helpful to learn something about basically the requirements the steel industry has to be able to use our green hydrogen effectively, and MMSteel event is a great platform to do so.
We are a producer of green hydrogen. The company is called Life. So what we do is we produce green hydrogen from electrolysis. So which means we take renewable energy and we put this in an electrolyzer, and an electrolyzer will produce hydrogen. We invest in these production sites, and also then we sell the hydrogen to a potential off-taker. We are expanding our organization in an exponential way. So which means we are doubling our headcount of the company every 6 months. Yeah, indeed, this is my first time I speak here at this event. And what I saw so far this morning is very exciting. Interesting thing is that we have here the whole value chain together to make green steel. So we have here the technology providers, but also we have here the steel manufacturers. So we have a unique opportunity to discuss the implementation of possible technologies and in a creative way brainstorm also what can we do all together.